Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today, this company right here, Tribit, however you say it, I don't know how you say it. They went ahead and sent me this StormBox Micro portable wireless speaker here, so I want to go and check this out and see what's up with this. Alright, so we're back here at the unboxing table, and originally, I wasn't going to do a video on this because they did hit me up and I was going to be like, nah, I ain't really interested, but I saw Flossie Carter do a video on this, so I was like, wait, hold up a second, let me go and check this out real quick, and I'm getting a phone call right now, of course I am. But we about to go and check this out, so it's by Tribit, I don't know how you say it, man, I'm not even going to try. But we got the StormBox Micro here, so first up, let's just go and rip into this real quick, and it looks like a pretty compact speaker here, so let me go and run y'all this price real quick. And if you want to go and buy this, it's gonna go ahead and run you 50 bucks, and it looks like the reviews are pretty good with IP67 waterproof ratings, so we'll go ahead and see about that. But so just looking around the box real quick, we got the Tribit logo with the StormBox Micro, and then we got the actual speaker here. So it looks like we can take this in the shower if we want to, but we got the portable wireless speaker, micro in size, macro in sound. So at the bottom we got IP67 waterproof, and then we got Bluetooth 5, so thank you. Finally some Bluetooth 5 in my Bluetooth speaker. Like my UE Megaboom 3, that one got Bluetooth 5, and there's like delay in it and you can really tell, so really hyped to see that in there. We got long battery life, superior sound, and then we got stereo / party. So I don't really know if you can link more than one of these at a time, but I don't know, maybe you can. We got the StormBox Micro on the right, and at the top we just got the logo, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So it looks like we got a 100-foot range for the Bluetooth, but let's go and crack it to the box real quick, and then there we go. So it looks like we got a user manual, but you know what we do with that, we throw it to the side. We got a thank you card here, which I don't really care about, so appreciate it I guess, but nah, don't really care. And then we got the Bluetooth speaker, so let's go ahead and crack it to this, and there we go. So here is our speaker. Yeah, it is pretty small. We got a little bit of a rubbery surface here, and then we got this cloth material here at the top. So we got the logo, we got a volume down, we got a volume up. I don't know what this is, but I'm assuming it's to play and pause and the skip tracks and all that stuff. But all right, so just looking in the rest of the box, we don't really got anything here, so let's go and check this out here. We got a USB Type-C cord here, so this thing does support USB Type-C, unlike my UE Megaboom, but appreciate y'all for that. So okay, here we go. Here's our power button, and then it looks like we have our link button for our Bluetooth, and then just get in here. That's where what is this? Not really sure what that is right now, but I guess we're going to check that out in a minute. And then we got some info here on the Bluetooth speaker, but just looking around here, we have those two buttons there. We also have our USB-C port just exposed like that. Like I said, this is IP67, so you can go in the shower with this thing, but yeah, that's pretty much it really. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on real quick. It looks like we got some lights right here, and looks like it's already on. So let's go and grab our Pixel 4a, and let's go and go to the settings. We'll go over here to the Bluetooth for connected devices, and then we're gonna go to pair new device, and then we're gonna go and look for it. So I got a lot of like Philips Hue lights in my house, so I don't really know like the difference between like what device is what, but maybe if we hold on to this it'll pop up. And there we go. So there we go, there it is. So that's the speaker you're gonna go and link up. I'm gonna go ahead and just allow this because I don't know why not. And there we go. So like we got 70% battery. So let's go to YouTube real quick, and let's go and play some Chucky beats. And all right, so there we go. Let's go and play some Chucky beats. Like what song can we play? Okay, let's play this one. Let's go and turn it up all the way. And does it turn up on the phone if I turn up on the speaker? Okay, it do. Cool. So we got a little sound here when we get to the max volume. Sound kind of weird, but all right then. But this is what the sound like. Oh snap! It got way more bass than I thought it was gonna have. Okay then, just listen to this. Put your headphones in so you can get the best effects with this. Yeah, that's tight. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Amazon Tap Bluetooth speaker, and then we're gonna go and do a quick comparison. Alright y'all, so I'll grab the Amazon Tap here, but if you want to go and play or pause your music, you can just go ahead and press on this button here, and then play your music. Let's go to the next song and see if that works. It does. Let's see if we can go to the previous song, and that works too. So if we press and hold on to this, what does that do? Does that do anything for us? What just happened? Google Assistant. Okay then, that's interesting. Alright, I was not expecting that, but let's go and pause that real quick. Now I'm gonna go and grab my Amazon Tap here, and let's go ahead and put this thing in the pair mode real quick.
Ready to
let's
pair.
Go ahead
go to the
and
Bluetooth
link this
settings
thing
on your mobile
up
device.
real quick.
Amazon
Alright,
Tap.
so connected
Dash.
devices,
0.
pair new device. and let's go and look for this. So already I don't think that this is gonna be no, I think this isn't gonna be as good as this one. So I don't think the Amazon Tap's gonna sound as good as this Tribit speaker, whatever it's called here. But let's go and play some real quick. So let's go ahead. I think it is louder though. I will say that though. I think it is louder, but let's go and turn up on both ends because it's just not. Okay, so here we go. And oh wait, snap. This might actually be a little bit louder. I'm not really sure right now. You know what? Let's just go ahead and pause this. Let's go ahead and relink real quick. It's gonna play from this speaker. And yeah, I think the Amazon Tap is definitely a little bit louder, but this one, like, just there ain't no competition. This has way more bass. And on top of that, you're gonna have your little IP67 water resistance rating, and with the Amazon Tap, you just don't get that really, but you do have like this, I guess, right here. You know the name, ALEXA. What's the weather?
Right now in Kenosha, it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies.
I am safe, by the way. I do want to put that out there that I'm not really in the area with the riots and the protests and all that, so we're good over here. But just looking at this some more, it looks like we can use this as a strap right here if we need to, and then I can go ahead and take that off there easily, and then just use this little loophole here to, you know, connect it to something. So let's say I want to go and throw this on, like, I don't know, like my bike or something, or let's say I want to go ahead and throw it on the strap of my bag. I can do that because it's pretty versatile and flexible. Now let's go and do a quick water test. So I don't really know if you're supposed to cover up this port here somehow, but I don't think so. Do I really care? Not really. All right, looks like we're good here. So let's go and play some music real quick, and let's go and make sure that's up all the way. Now let's go ahead and throw it in this water here. And looks like, oh, it don't float like I kind of anticipated it to, but I mean, still works. As you can see here, technology doesn't really die out instantly when you throw it in water, but I mean, it's still working right now. And just looking at that USB Type-C port, you can see it is a little bit wet there, but it is supposed to dry out, so it's all good. Now, obviously, with the IP67 water resistance rating, you're not supposed to go ahead and like swim with this thing. It can be submerged in water, but again, like, you can't go ahead and swim with it and like throw it in the pool because it's not gonna like float like the UE Mega Boom speakers or just any UE speaker. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this speaker, y'all. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this one? But I'm gonna go and get out of here, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. But go and follow me on my social media at eSantech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is I'm most active. So I think so far this thing is worth 50 bucks, but I need to go ahead and play with this some more. I don't know. I'll let y'all know in further videos. But for now, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.